Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today I just got a really quick little printing tip for you guys. I get asked this question or something that's like this question all of the time. So something happened to me yesterday when I was prepping for something else, and I didn't realize it happened until I had done all this work and bam, something happened. So I get asked all the time about my printing, my page isn't printing out the right size. It's smaller, it doesn't fit, it's not, you say this and it doesn't turn out to be that. And I don't like giving you guys measurements because 1/8 of an inch or 1/32 of an inch and all of that, some people have a really hard time with that being off just a little bit. But printers do print differently. I mean, that's just kind of part of it. My printer, my laser printer prints differently than my inkjet printer. I mean, every printer is different. Sometimes it even matters if you're printing from a PDF versus printing from a JPEG. I mean, everything seems to make a difference. Well, lucky for me, this thing that happened to me last night is a simple, easy, quick fix. So I printed off a bunch of stuff, and then I'm making something, so I needed it to match exactly, and it didn't match. It was a whole lot smaller. So I went into my PDF and I was like, what has happened? I haven't changed anything. I don't know what's happened. I think what happened is my, whoops, I'm trying to find the picture I just took. That's not gonna help. I think what happened was my PDF, or not my PDF, my printer updated. So therefore it might have changed some settings or reset some settings. So I took a picture of, I went to go print on my PDF, okay? Print from my PDF. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see. Is that focused? I hope it's focused. So that's what I see when I go to print from my PDF. So I'm printing the glassine bag template, right? So over here, I'm gonna zoom in. There are different options. There's a fit, an actual size, shrink oversized pages, custom scale, okay? Well, it had changed from actual size to fit. So I printed everything off on fit when I needed it to be actual size. So let me show you the difference. So I printed both off. This is actual size and this is fit size, okay? So I went ahead and cut the fit size out because it is smaller. So I'm gonna lay it right, and I inked the edges so you can see. I'm gonna lay it right on top of here. Can you see the difference in the printing? The same PDF, the same printer, just that one small little box to click, or a little circle to click. You don't want fit, you want actual. Now your printer might be different. Your printer might need to be, fit might need to be clicked and actual not. So whatever you do, make sure that you print them all the same so that you don't have any issues. Everything will fit together as long as you print everything on the same setting. But for mine, if you wanted to print the right size, like for example, you know, the workstation that I'm working on, if you want, you know, to make a ink station, an ink pad station, I don't know what to call it. We'll have to give it a name. And you want your ink pads to fit in there, then yours is gonna have to print out the right size. So you're gonna have to do a little, just print one page. Don't do what I did and print a whole bunch of pages and then come back and realize I even laminated and everything, guys. You'll see, I'll tell you about it when I'm recording the video that I'm talking about. I'll tell you all about it. But anyway, so for my printer, I need it to be on actual size, which makes it the correct size where fit does not. Okay, so this is for 8.5 by 11 paper. If you're A4, you need to make sure that it's that you can see the whole image. So you might have to unclick or click, but just print one page. Don't print the whole PDF. Just like I was on this page. Let me show you again. I was on that page and I just told it to print the current page that I was on. Okay, so yeah. So just a little quick tip, and I hope this helps, and I hope it answers some of your all's questions about the different measurements and sizes and why I don't give measurements and all of that jazz. So I hope it gives, I hope it helps you out. So let me know in the comments down below if you've had this same issue. Give me a thumbs up if you've made this mistake before, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.